Hi, it is Bill with Dine Drink Vegas. It is August of 2022, and I'm at Stadium Swim in the Circa, Las Vegas. The music here is really loud and copyrighted, so I think what I'm going to do is mix in some video clips as well as some still pictures to give you a sense of what this space is like. And Stadium Swim is absolutely a premier party pool. You had the casino I showed you there just a minute ago, as well as the ability to bet live on sports. You check in, you go through an area with some lockers in it after you've gotten all the way up to the top of the escalator. After you've gone through that area and dropped off anything you wanted, and those are a little bit weirdly located because it'd be hard to get to your stuff, but you go through the check in line. It's free if you are staying at Circa or if you're staying at the D or at the Golden Gate. Not the Golden Nugget, but at the Golden Gate. All of those properties get free admission, and you have to go in through a metal detector. I'll be honest, I'm not sure what it is they were looking for. They have a series of private cabanas available for rent, and I think that would probably be the way I would want to do it if I was going to stay here or spend the day here. Now, the cabanas tend to come with a minimum spend. On a couple of the dates I looked at, that minimum spend was about $1,200, so it might not be a bad deal if you had a big enough group with you. Here, I'm showing you kind of a live video of what one of them looks like. They're not huge, but there's plenty of space. You've got your own TV as well as the big TVs outside. You can see the bar menu. The drinks were perfectly reasonably priced, even on this day, which was a random weekday. There was a lot of bar service around. You could go out and jump in the pool real quick, and in just a second, I'm going to show you a video of upstairs where they had a couple more pools that were only open to Cabana guests. Here we go, only open to Cabana guests, as well as some additional cabanas. The cabanas are the same. I would really prefer to have one of these ones upstairs, again, just because of the quieter and somewhat more relaxed atmosphere. The vibe when you're here is absolutely party. It is loud, it is fun. Everybody seemed to be enjoying themselves, lots of drinks flowing around. You've got the ability to have a little bit of quiet space here if you wind up renting a cabana. Do know that they're going to check your IDs as you come in. You've got to have on your pool cabana wristband the whole time. But it's a fun place to hang out. You've got good views, you've got good music, good sports, live betting, and if you want to play a hand of blackjack, you can. The things to know is once you're in, to go back out to where the lockers are, that's a little bit tough. So I'd find a way to bring everything in with you and maybe leave it with some other member of your group. And I would probably plan to spend the bulk of the day here. I hope this video has been helpful to you. I would love to hear your thoughts on Stadium Swim, just other things you want to do when you're having a nice, relaxed day where you chill out in Las Vegas. Be thrilled to answer any of your questions. You can put those questions in the comments section below. I would also really appreciate your support for the channel by having you click like and by having you click subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, though, and happy travels.